In today's video, we will be talking about another phone from the Samsung lineup of the budget smartphone category. Yeah guys, you guessed it right. It is the Galaxy M51 smartphone. Samsung Galaxy M51 has been consistently popping up in the news for the past few days, be it for leaked specifications or production delays. And now, a new leak claims that the phone will feature a 64-megapixel primary camera. So, in today's video, we will see what this phone has to offer, including the camera, price, and even the expected launch date. I have the links in the description for phones with similar specs if you don't want to wait or buy the Samsung Galaxy M51. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display having a screen resolution of 1080x2340 pixels. To protect the screen from scratches and marks, there is a Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a bezel-less display along with punch-hole design for housing the camera so that the viewers can get a stunning visual of the display when using the phone. Samsung ships the phone with Android 10 and One UI 2.0. Before moving on, take a moment to smash that subscribe button if you guys want to see more smartphone related leaks and rumors. Samsung Galaxy M51 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset. While it may not be as powerful as the Snapdragon 730G, it will get the job done for most of the phone users. It is assisted by an octa-core Kryo 470 processor that consists of a 2.2 GHz dual core and a 1.8 GHz hexa-core setup. There is an Adreno 618 GPU and a 6GB of RAM to look after the graphics and multitasking part of the device. Coming to the camera aspect, Samsung has already confirmed that the Galaxy M31 will have a 64-megapixel camera with a single take feature. It is being speculated that the Galaxy M51 will also carry the same. If you want to know more about the Samsung Galaxy M31s, click on the I button above to get full details of the phone. The device has a triple primary lens setup that consists of a 64-megapixel primary lens along with 8 and 5 megapixel shooters. There is a 16-megapixel front camera to click worthy quality pictures with minute details. As far as the battery is concerned, it has a 4000 mAh capacity Li-ion cell that is coupled up with 15-watt fast charging. The phone might feature a 3.5mm audio jack and a USB Type-C cable and is set to charge up the phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Samsung Galaxy M51 houses an inbuilt storage capacity of 128GB which can be expanded up to 512GB. The fingerprint sensor is rear mounted as in other Galaxy M series. The phone comes with two variants, 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, and the other with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. It might be available in quite a lot of colors, but for now, there has been leaks only regarding the blue and black color option. Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone price in India is likely to be 25,000. Samsung Galaxy M51 is rumored to be launched in the country on 4th September 2020. Samsung has never failed to impress us, and this phone might be no different. That's it guys, we have now reached the end of today's video. Comment down below if you want to know more about a particular phone or a gadget. Drop a like and check out my other videos if you want to. A sub to the channel will be appreciated. Until next video, this is Hari from Let's Review signing off. Stay tuned, stay safe.
But that's alright. Hush.